Yes, welcome back, my dear children. See here, now we saw about the transportation. Yes, if we want to move from one place to another, we are using the transportation. Yes, without traffic, how we will go? Yes, so that only now we are going to learn something about the traffic. Okay, the movement of vehicles and people in a particular area is known as traffic. What is meant by traffic? The movement of vehicles and people in a particular area is known as traffic. Traffic signals are used to manage the movement of vehicles on roads. Okay, my dear children, imagine that you are all in the center of the traffic. Okay, that you are all in the center of the traffic. See, in your four sides, lots of vehicles are around you. How you will move? We can't move. Okay, so for that only nowadays we are all using the traffic police and traffic rules and regulations to move from one place to another. Okay, see here, this is the activity 11.6. Have you noticed the lights at a traffic signal? Have you noticed the lights at a traffic signal? Yes, I hope my children all know very well. We all know very well about the red light, yellow and green. Yes, am I right? And also you were learnt in your grade 1 what is the meaning of red light and yellow and green. Okay, see here, this is the roads of a modes of transport. Okay, here what you need to do is, do you know what the lights on a traffic signal means? Red light, if they put a red light, for that what we want to do, if we can move or else we want to stand or else we want to ready to go, that you need to write them in the space given. Okay, see here, for red what we want to do, that you need to write here. For yellow what we want in the second line, write for yellow light what we need to do in a traffic, and the third line you need to write green color. Okay, for green color light what we need to do, that you have to write here. Okay, my dear children. Yes, and the next page, this is the activity 11.7. Look at the traffic situation in figure 6. See here, look at this picture. Now before I told you, imagine yourself like that I told you, yeah, see here, like this only the traffic situation is here. And here there are some questions are there. Tick the correct options. The first question is, what do you see in the picture? In this picture, what do you see? That you need to tick it. A lot of vehicles on the road. A lot of vehicles on the road. If yes, you need to put a tick here. A few vehicles on the road. If it is yes, you need to put a tick here. Vehicles are not able to move. You need to put tick if it is yes. The fourth question is, vehicles are moving smoothly. If it is yes, you need to put the tick. Okay, in this questions, which is the correct options, that you need to put a tick. Okay, my dear children. Your second question is, how would the people sitting inside the vehicles feel? Okay, imagine that inside in this car, if you are sitting inside in any car, how you feel? You feel very happy or sad or angry. Okay, that you need to fill it here. You feel very happy means you need to put a tick here. If you feel very sad, you need to put a tick here. If you feel very angry, you need to put a tick here. Okay, my dear children, are you all clear? Yes. Okay, see here, when several vehicles on a road stop moving or moving very slowly, it is called a traffic jam. Okay, when several vehicles on a road stop moving or moving very slowly, it is called a traffic jam. It is very common in cities where many people travel in cars, bikes and autos for long distance. It also occurs when people do not follow traffic rules. Okay, my dear children, in cities only several vehicles are moving here and there. Okay, so in cities only we feel very traffic jams. Okay, my dear children. Yes, and also it occurs when people do not follow traffic rules. Ways to prevent traffic jam. Okay, here are some ways to prevent traffic jam. That is, using public transport like buses and trains, buses and trains we are saying as a public transport because lots of people are traveling in it, okay. And also sharing rides with others, okay. For example, if your mom and dad wants to move from one place to another, your mom need not to take a separate vehicles. Using your dad vehicle, if your dad ready to drop your mom in her office or school, okay, that is we are saying sharing rides with others. Following traffic rules. Yes, we should follow the traffic rules, my dear children. That is a very important thing, not only as for others also it is very important. And also for others also it is very necessary. Traffic refers to vehicles and people moving in an area. When the vehicles are stuck on the road, unable to move, we call it a traffic jam. It can be avoided by following traffic rules and using public transport such as buses and trains. Okay, because of these vehicles, traffics, we usually feel very pollution, okay. We saw about the transportation. After transportation, slowly we are moving into a traffic rules and traffic regulations. After that what we are going to face? Pollution. Because of lots of vehicles we are facing pollution. All vehicles need fuel to move. Most vehicles use petrol and diesel. Some vehicles these days use other fuels like CNG and electricity. Vehicles that run on petrol and diesel give out of smoke. Okay, my dear children, see here, vehicles that run on petrol and diesel give out smoke that causes air pollution. Air pollution may cause difficulty in breathing and burning of eyes. Even plants and animals are affected by air pollution. Okay, my dear children, not only human beings, plants and animals are also affected by air pollutions. So we should be concentrate on air pollutions too. People honk the horn of vehicles to move quickly when they are traveling on the road. This creates a lot of noise. Loud noise may cause severe damage to our ears. Noise pollution is very dangerous to both humans and animals. Okay. Yes, before we saw air pollution. After air pollution, lots of vehicles make noise pollution. Okay, my dear children, ways to reduce pollution is encourage the use of shared rides among your friends and family members. Okay, my dear children, yes, it may reduce air pollution as well as noise pollution. Remind your parents to get a pollution check of their vehicles done regularly. Yes, if you are starting any scooter, car, that time the black color Yaris came out from the vehicle. So we want to regularly check our vehicles. Okay, so ask your parents also to do the regularly checking of their vehicles. Use public transport such as buses and trains to reduce traffic on the road. Okay, my dear children, walk or use bicycle to travel short distance. Yes, if you want to go to near to your shop or it's to your school, that time we can use bicycle to travel. Okay, if you are crossing any hospitals, schools like that, we should not make a horn sound. Okay, my dear children. Yes, plant more trees along the road. Yes, if you are going any village side, that time see in the two sides they are ready to grow some plants because of to reduce air pollutions. Okay, my dear children. Yes, it is a very good thing. This is the activity 11.8. Look at the picture carefully. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Okay, look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks. Here they given the questions, no? Yes, here you need to fill in the blanks using the help box. See here they given the help box. There are a lot of dash on the road. Tell me, there are a lot of dash on the road, vehicles on the road. Yes, the man on the cycle has covered his dash and mouth with a dash. Tell me, the man on the cycle has covered his nose and mouth with a mask to protect himself from the smoke coming out of the vehicles. Yes, there is a huge traffic jam and the people are surrounding the dash. People are surrounding There is a huge traffic jam and people are sounding the horns. Okay, the peoples are sounding the horns. There is a lot of dash and confusion. What is that? Noise and confusion. Yes, very good. See here, the first question is, what are the two types of pollution in the above situation? See this situation and tell what are the two types of pollution these vehicles are making. That you need to write here. Okay, my dear children? Yes. And the second question is, what could be two problems faced by the people in this situation? Okay, in this situation, what are the two problems that the peoples are facing? That you need to write here. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Your third question is, what can be done to prevent these problems? Here you have to tell your idea. What can be done to prevent these problems? That there are two problems are there, that is you need to write here. Okay, your fourth question is, a bus faculty is available to drop you to school every day. You can also travel to school with your father in his car. Which option could you prefer? That you need to tell. I would go by the school bus, I would go in my father's car. That here you need to write the suggestion. Okay, my dear children, if you are ready to go to school in your bus, you have to write bus. Okay, if you are ready to go with your father, you need to write here father. Then after that, following that answer, you need to write why you are chose that. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Which one would help reduce pollution? Which one would help reduce pollution? Tick the answer. Okay, option 1 or option 2. Which one is ready to reduce the air pollution? That you need to write here. Okay, my dear children? Yes, vehicles that run on petrol and diesel and those with loud horns and engines are a major source of air and noise pollution. We can reduce pollution by following traffic rules and creating awareness among peoples. Okay, my dear children? Yes, finally we are concluded our lesson with the concept map. Okay, here the transportation is here. Transportation is divided into two types, that is modes of transportation, means of transportation. Modes of transportation is that I told you know there are three types of transportation, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Means of transportation is car, ship, aeroplane, like that. I told you know land, water, air. Here they given car. Okay, another land transport you need to write here. In ship, the another land water transport you need to write here. In air transport, aeroplane is one and the another air transport you need to write here. Okay, my dear children? Yes, in this means of transport we are affecting in the pollutions. Okay, what are the two types of pollution we are facing because of the transportation? What are all the two types of pollution we are facing because of the transportation? Yes, air pollution and noise pollution. Here you need to write that. Okay, my dear children? Yes, and the question time is here. This is a question time, my dear children. Just read out all the questions. This is a very easy questions to you, which already we were discussed many things about these and all. Okay, so with the help of your parents you can do this question time. If you are going to do the match the following, use the scale and do it. Okay, my dear children? Yes, okay, I hope you are all going to do this question time and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, my dear children? Yes, I am going to wind up our class. Do it your home fund and post it in a Google Classroom, my dear children. Thank you. Bye-bye.